Stanley Ranch Resort, located on 712 acres in Napa, California, is an experience. This luxury resort features natural calming finishes of stone, tile, and porcelain panels totaling over 85,000 square feet, including 43 types and sizes, all with varying Schluter trim and grout colors. The skill set required residential, commercial, and stone knowledge to complete the extensive scope. The commercial scope includes a banquet hall with 4 dining areas, 3 commercial quarry tile kitchens, a purification circuit, sauna, steam rooms, locker buildings, an event space, and several restrooms throughout the property. The residential scope consists of 78 cottages and 3 types of units incorporating floor-to-ceiling thin panel porcelain walls and large format tile floors. Starting the coordination process much earlier allowed them to make this process remarkably successful, as did early site meetings to coordinate with the general contractor and other trades. They were able to assist the design team with alternate selections at the supplier's showroom to value engineer options with manageable lead times and incorporated materials. Luckily, this paid off because at the time they did not foresee a global pandemic. One of the problem-solving aspects of the project was sourcing 7,200 square feet of 2cm Jura stone from Germany. Obtaining an alternate for this material was non-negotiable per the lead designer. They were able to reroute stone through New York, trucking the cargo across the states rather than waiting months to clear the Anaheim port. During field production, they divided the project into zones, assigning a foreman to each specific zone: the upper core, lower core, and the cottages. They also coordinated with concrete and flooring subcontractors on pour dimensions and transitions due to varying floor thicknesses. Self-leveling products were applied to create the tolerance required for 3-foot stone pieces and 4-foot plank tiles to eliminate lippage. The guest reception building's floor is an intricate pattern of 2cm Jura stone in varying sizes that ties into a Jura slab fireplace and exterior pavers with the same pattern. It was critical to collaborate with the electrical subcontractor and the manufacturer of the new heat mats to comply with installation methods and requirements to ensure proper installation and protection of the heated floor mats at 132 cottage bathrooms, the upper core spa, and locker buildings. They also coordinated with the glass installer as they inset tracks for showers and water closets to avoid damages to the heated floor mats. The project was more of a design build than originally intended to accommodate the trade's materials that did not arrive due to the global shipping crisis. Modifications to adjacent finishes and their scope were modified as they progressed. Congratulations to National Ceramic Tile and Stone Corporation for Stanley Ranch Resort, our NTCA 5-Star Achievement of Excellence Award winner for 2022 Commercial Elite Project of the Year.